In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your online status on BOTIM. First, let's begin by opening the BOTIM app on your device. You will see the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on the BOTIM icon, the app will launch and you will be greeted by the main interface. This is where you can access your chats and contacts. It's important to have the app open because that sets the stage for making changes to your privacy settings. Opening the app is a straightforward first step, but it's essential for accessing the features you need. Once the app is open, look for the Me tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab typically displays your profile and personal settings. Tapping on Me will take you to your account settings where you can adjust various options related to your BOTIM experience. This step is crucial as it leads you closer to managing your privacy settings effectively. After tapping, you will see your profile information and options for account management. Next, tap on Account. This option will lead you to more specific settings related to your account. Here, you will find different settings that allow you to manage how your information is shared on BOTIM. Navigating to this section is vital as it directs you to the privacy features that help you control who sees your information. After tapping Account, you will see a list of options that will allow you to customize your settings further. From there, tap on Privacy. This is where you can manage your visibility to other users. The privacy section is particularly important because it allows you to choose how much of your online activity is visible to others. Once you select this option, you will see various privacy settings that you can adjust according to your preferences. This step ensures that you are taking control of your online presence and can help avoid unwanted attention. Now tap on Last Seen. This option specifically controls who can see when you were last active on BOTIM. By managing your last seen status, you can create a more private experience for yourself. This feature is significant because it allows you to maintain your privacy while still using the app effectively. Once you tap this option, you will be presented with several choices that dictate your visibility to others. You will have 3 choices to select from: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. Choosing Everyone means that all users can see when you were last active. Selecting My Contacts limits this visibility to only those you have saved in your contacts. Finally, selecting Nobody ensures that no one can see your last seen status. This choice is crucial if you want to maintain a high level of privacy while using the app. After making your choice, it's essential to remember that your decision impacts how others perceive your online activity. Once you have made your selection, save your changes if prompted. This step is vital to ensure that the adjustments you made take effect. Saving your changes confirms that your preferences are now set according to your wishes. After saving, you will typically see a confirmation message, reassuring you that your settings have been successfully updated. With that, you've successfully hidden your last seen status on BOTIM. While the app does not offer a way to hide your real-time online status, managing your last seen is a significant step towards enhancing your privacy. Remember, taking control of your online presence is important for a more comfortable experience on social platforms. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.